of the lever to change the height on my YBravo broke. Well, I broke it. And it's this one right here. And I'm going to show you guys how to fix it real quick. Once I get the part, hopefully that's it. But I went to pull it back and I yanked it towards the wheel too hard and snapped. Alright, first thing you'll need is a brick. Second thing you'll need is a tool set. Then we'll go cut grass again. It's barely like 11 or not like 10, I think. And it's Monday. Step one, I would guess, take the wheel off. Just be careful not to lose no bolts. And remember where everything goes. Looks like it's broken. Tire or wheel, whatever you want to call it. I guess I should have got a flathead before I started. Go get one real quick. Flathead. I hope you guys can see. Whoa. I'm just gonna edit that. Then you take this little bolt thing off right here. Check for this little pin because it falls off. It goes right here. Hold the tire. Looks like that's it. Kind of have to force it if you don't want to take this all the way out. Bam. We'll go ahead and clean some of the grasses right there. There we go. It's a matter of playing with it. gotta align this with that. And this does move up and down.
Maybe like 10 minutes?
Yeah. There you go, and then perfect. Alright, now I lost my bolt. Oh, there it is. Screw it back on. Here's the other piece. That's the good thing about having a dealer that has these, is that they always have little parts like this in store. I was gonna get all 4 of them so they could all match red, but he only had this one. He said he just ran out of the other ones, so as soon as he gets more, I'm gonna go buy a couple more. That's it. Set to go. There it is. What's going on? It's Wednesday, July the 29th. Oh, I got a missed call. And I was gonna go do some hedge trimming, or finish up some hedge trimming that I started yesterday, but my hedge trimmer, the fuel line is broke. See, this ripped. So, can't go do that. So what am I gonna go do? Mow. And reschedule it for probably Saturday. I don't know if I'm gonna show it on video or not. But yeah, I'm gonna go do a couple lawns and see how I do. Try and get ahead, I don't know. But see you guys in the next clip. I'm here to put a bed on this. Just cutting the grass. kind of fun we get. All done. Not so bad. Now, I'm not sure if I'm gonna come back to take care of this mess, because they asked me to give them a price on that too. I don't even feel like it. I just want to mow. But schedule that in for Sunday, and we'll see what we can do.